So yeah, it's basically done. Guys, welcome back to part 2 of rebuilding this BMW 550. I'm here at the junkyard. Just finished taking off the radiators, the whole front end, and I'm gonna take the hood off. So just finished taking off the hood, took off the radiators and the fender. Let's head back home. What's up, guys? Just came back from the junkyard. Managed to get the radiators, these things that hold the hood latch, bumper support, got the airbag, looks really clean. Got the secondary radiators, both of them, really good deal, so I'm really happy. Let's start putting this thing together. We got the airbag here, let's pop it in. Finished popping in the airbag, and man, that just completed the whole interior look. But yeah, let's move on to the front end. About to put this thing back in. I noticed if you look right here, if you look right here, it doesn't have it. I'm gonna have to swap that real quick and then throw it in. So I just finished throwing on the hood and the fender. As you guys saw from Tom's video, basically threw on the whole front end. Basically I'm done. I just need a ton of plastic stack over here. I need a headlight. I didn't order that one, I need to order that. That one I have. I'm gonna have to look around where it is. But yeah, the fender I noticed has a little ding. Kinda sucks, but it's barely noticeable. Fix that up maybe with some Bondo or something. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much done. So this is a broken reinforcement bar here. I'm gonna take this horn off, throw it on. Sucks, this one's broken on the other side. Have to buy another one, but it is what it is. But yeah, let's take this off and swap it. So I finished putting on the horn. I'm slapping on the bumper and the headlight to see what it looks like. And it looks really good. There you go. The bumper's not on fully, but you can still get to see what it's gonna look like. All I'm missing is the grills. I need the grills, both of them. Headlight, that's gonna be really expensive. Both fog lights, I don't have the fog lights, which sucks, but Junkyard didn't have them. I'll just order them on eBay or dealer maybe. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for episode 3, where I think I'll be finishing it up. I'll probably slap on the headlight, the grills, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. But it's a BMW, so you don't know what to expect from it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.